So, my project proposal or my program proposal is Purlins spacing checker. So, just a brief definition ng ating Purlins. Purlins is a horizontal beam or bar used for structural support in buildings, most commonly in a roof. It is supported either by rafters or the walls of the building and most commonly used in a metal building. So, objectives ng ating proposal. Andyan yung to calculate the interaction value ng ating Purlin, of course. And then, the second one is to check if the Purlin spacing is safe siya or not with respect to the given loads. Dead load, live load, and then the wind pressure. So, significance of this proposal. This program will help the user, specifically yung engineering student natin, to calculate the interaction value para ma-check nila kung ang spacing ng Purlin is safe ba siya or hindi to the given loads. So, here are the scope of this program. Unang-una, limited lang siya only to calculate the interaction value ng ating Purlins to easily check whether the spacing of Purlin is safe or not. And then the second one, may tatlong cases ng ating interaction value na ibibigay ang ating program. Unang-una, dyan yung dead load plus live load. Pangalawa, yung dead load plus live load plus wind pressure sa windward side, and then pati na rin ang leeward side. So, the third one is, may tatlong spacing ang Purlins ang pagbabasihan ng ating program. Unang-una, dyan yung no sag rods, one line sag of rod, at saka two line of sag. It depends upon the given problem. So, pang fourth one, dalawang case naman ng dead load ang pagbabasihan ng ating program. Andyan yung dead load, which is included ang Purlin weight, and then the other one is not included ang Purlin weight. So, the last one, itong program natin is only applicable lang siya sa SI units. So, here is the graphical interface, user interface ng ating program. So, yan siya. And then, the other one is, eto na siya. So, as you can see in this part, sa ating pangalawang interface, eto na side, from here, sa left side portion ng ating program, interface, andyan lahat yung datas na kailangan nating i-input para makalculate natin. And then, the other one, sa right side naman, dito na lahat lalabas yung interaction value ng tatlong cases ng ating interaction value. So, thank you, and that's the end of my presentation. So, now, let's go to the program. So, ayan. Gaya sa presentation kanila, ito yung first interface na ginamit natin. So, andito yung title ng ating program, the name of the programmer, and then the start and the close button. So, let's try to run this. Ayan na siya. So, as you can see, andyan yung documentation sa taas, the about, and then the help. Documentation, andyan yung documentation regarding the Purlins. So, ayan, medyo mahaba-haba siya. And then, the about. About is a program submitted to Engineer Saki J. Amilbahar of the Department of Civil Engineering, College of Engineering and Information Technology. So, the rest of this, summarize siya sa presentation natin kanina sa ito. Ito namang help button naman is, ito siya yung magiging guide ng ating user para maturuan siya kung paano gamitin ng ating program. So, here, sa portion na ito, andito yung ating name of the programmer sa baba, and then the start and then the close button. So, if you want to start this, so gaya ng sabi ko kanina, meron tayo sa left side, input ng data, and then the right side is yung interaction value. So, ito yung kanina sa presentation na pagpipilian ng ating user para sa Purlin spacing na pagbabasihan ng ating program. So, yan yung tatlo. And then, dito naman, yan yung dalawa, which is yung included at saka hindi included ang Purlin weight. So, after putting all the data, calculate, click the calculate button, and then lalabas na dito yung ating sagot. So, meron tayo dito sa menu na sample problems. May binigay na konting problems dito. And then, again, the help para maturuan ating user. So, if you want to solve another problem, just click this reset button para ma-reset yung datas. And then, if you want to know more about the program, i-click lang natin itong back button. And then, itong close, magpa-pop up lang yung warning sign natin kung if you really want to exit the program na. So, wag muna kasi meron muna tayong isi-solve na sample problem. So, sample problem, Ayan. So, sabi dito, light grade steel channel was used as a purlin of a truss. The top chord of the truss has a slope of 1 vertical, 2 horizontal, and distance between trusses is equal to 2.5. Merong purlin, may bigat na 75 Pascal, space at 1.4 meter on centers. Ang dead load natin including the roof materials is 900 Pascals. May live load na 800 Pascals and wind load na 1,100 Pascal. May coefficient pressure sa leeward and windward 0.5 and 0.2. So sa baba na ito yung center of the section, yung section properties natin, yung 4. So, using the interaction formula daw, hahanapin natin ngayon yung maximum ratio actual to allowable bending stress per combination ng D plus L ng load, D plus L plus W sa windward at saka leeward side. Sa nosag, ito siya, no? Then the fourth one is, if one line of sag rod was placed daw sa midspan, ano yung D plus L niya? So, let's try input these datas ng ating program, ng ating problem. So, ang sabi dito, no sag rod siya. So, no sag siya. And then, meron tayong 1 vertical. May 1 tayo. May horizontal na 2. May spacing tayo na 1.4. And then, not included ng ating purlin weight, no? Ayun. So, ang purlin weight natin, meron tayo kanina nasabi, 75. May live load tayo na 900. And then, may 800 tayo. So, wind pressure natin, merong 1,100. Mayroon tayong 0.2 sa ating windward. And then, 0.5 sa leeward. So, may span tayo na 2.5. And then, FBX is 163.68. And then, sa ating FBY, 186. Sa ating SX, may 4.48. And then, sa SY natin, 1.18. So, automatically, mag-highlight ang calculate button natin. So, click yan. Ayun, lumabas na yung ating sagot. So, check natin kung pareho tayo ng sagot. So, sa letter A, ang sagot niya dito is 0.625. Check. And then, sa second, 0.493. Tama. And then, 0.407 sa last one. So, yung sa fourth one, ang sabi, kung sakali, so, as you can see muna, so, less than 1 siya. So, automatically, yung purlin natin is safe siya. So, less than 1 itong tatlo. So, purlin spacing is safe. So, ito yung lalabas sa sagot ng ating program. Sa fourth one naman, ang sabi, if one line sag daw siya, ano magiging value ng D plus L niya? So, same data, calculate. Ayun, lumabas na siya, 0.33. Tama, 0.332, pareho lang siya. So, less than 1, purlin is still safe. So, ganun lang kadali yung input, putting all the necessary data. So, kung magsasolve ka ng other problem, reset. Babalik siya sa dati. And then, if you want to know more about the program, just click the back button at babalik siya dito. For the documentation, kung gusto mong alamin ng purlins, yung about niya at saka yung help. So, that's all. Thank you.